Well, I'm joined by Manisha Malhotra, the head of talent scouting at JSW. Manisha, we come to you at this hour when we have this big news about Vinesh Fogart of her not managing to win a medal despite getting so close. You've worked with her as an athlete. Tell us, what really would you think went wrong here?
I mean, it's not a question of what went wrong. I mean, it's difficult to kind of dissect and do what went wrong and what went right. But we have to figure out, this is not the time for that. The time for now is to rally behind our athlete. The time for now is to look after her mental well-being, her physical well-being. The would have, could have, should have can come when they come. But we have to. I mean, the bottom line is she didn't make the 100 grams that she needed to, and that's just how it is. And it's really unfortunate, and there's nothing we can do.
We've never heard anything like this before, that an athlete's weight, which went up by a kg the day before the fight, could not be brought down by a kilo. I mean, does that happen? Is this usual?
It's not usual, but it has happened in the past. It has. Making weight in a weight-based sport is one of the challenges, especially for someone like a Vinesh who's coming down 10 kilos or 8-9 kilos. She has, I think, maybe a 5 or 7% body fat. She doesn't have fat on her body to lose.
Is there a precedence in this sport before?
It has happened, yeah. It's happened in all weight-based sports where the people don't make weight. It has happened. It's not normal because you rally behind and you kind of manage it. And so it's not common, but it has happened. Of course it has.
Manisha, you've been an athlete manager for long. Now we know that Vinesh came into this weight category because Antim qualified in her weight category, and so she decided to be in 50 kilogram. Would it have been better for her to get to 57 than coming down a weight class?
She knows herself better than me, and she's fought 50 before. So she's fought 50 after Rio. She was in 50. And she thought she would felt more confident in 50 to be able to get through. That's just how it is. And now to say that, she should have gone to 57, that doesn't make it okay. I mean, she would have made weight, yes, but she would have been thrown around by other people. So that's not the answer always. Wrestling is very technical. The people fighting in 57 are coming down from 63, 64, 65. So you can't say that, if she would have made weight, then she would have won. That's not how it works, unfortunately.
So what is the answer, and who has any answer today?
Right now, nobody does. And I think that right now, we need to think about how a team is managed and how things could have been different, what we could have done, instead of sitting and making statements and blaming people and putting all these cases. Because
what about the nutritionist? I mean, could she have done better than this? I mean, we missed a medal by 100 grams, and that is probably not an explanation we can give anyone, is it?
No, and I don't think that anybody can say anything at this point. It's a really sad occurrence, and we have to get past this. And it's not this is not the time to blame people. But the Olympics are not finished yet. There are still wrestlers to wrestle. We need to start kind of rallying the troops. You gotta bring people in, bring the morale up. We have a hockey bronze to fight for. We have Aman and them coming up, Anshu and Ritika coming up. So let's just work on them and kind of look positive until the 12th, when we can all sit and talk about this. And I'm sure we will.
Thank you very much, Manisha, for talking to us.